How to add subtitles in videos in seconds using AI. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily add subtitles to a very particular video using AI. So in the name of AI, we have using v.io, which is great for editing videos using AI agent such as feature. So to simply add a subtitle, you just head over to the subtitle section after uploading a video on v.io. So first thing, just head over to v.io and simply click on upload, get started with, and upload the video. And once you upload the video, you just need to click on this subtitle button over here, which is the navigation bar on the left side, and you can choose your language, in which language you want your subtitle to be. And if you want to also add a translation feature or detective speakers, so if you want to use features such as this, then you need to go to premium version. And once you do all of that, you can just tap on this auto subtitle in English, or you can also transcribe manually for each part by splitting the video as well, or you can just upload the subtitle file if you have one. So in this case, I will simply auto generate it, and just like that, you should be able to generate auto subtitle for your video using AI. So as you can see, it has already generated. Now you can also further customize your video using different fonts or different color text. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.